Welcome to Date Audio.
Release your wolf. Oh, God. Foot roll. Whoo, there goes my voice. Part 4. Cass. Isn't it a fin? I guess it's a tail fin.
Belch.
Oh my God. Part 3. Or another, you're getting on a. But God, why? No. Well, yeah. Big truck go. Now. Enter. Ooh, that hurt my throat. Hello. Learn how to use your movements to your. I'm committed to the role, darling. Overprotected best friend. And in my mind, why do I mess up? Yeah, they fatter you. Wow, that was rude. Not even when I. Oh, me, God damn it, son of a. And in all this time, I've never once heard you. No matter what you do or what day it is. Hit my glasses. And in all this time, I've never once heard you stray from your restful rhythm or your top. Seriously, come on, dude. What you see in me, it's purely a reflect. Damn it, Baron. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. Go away. No, you don't need in here. Go. And in all this time, I've never once heard you stray. Damn it. Whew. All right, how you doing? Hey, we're almost there. Baron's doing his thing. Hold on. Baron out whining out the door again. Baron! Stop! Oh my God. Wait for one, you're getting. Oh, come on, Slayer. You're only one youngs. I'll be back as soon as I can, but. Enter! Arr! We must not. Enter! 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 Arg! Enter! Enter! Why can't I say this word right? I'm not to be disturbed unless the ship it. I'm not to be. The more I realized I was going to lose my chance with you. So I got Baron. I just want to get through this. Stop. I trust you got the last safely. You're getting on a board. And my baby did that. For another, you're getting on a board. For another, you're getting on a board. You're glad you did. Boom. Well, for one, you're getting. Barg. Relax, I won't lay a hand on ya. But we're on. Mr. Granger, I trust you got the last safety. And in all this time, I've never once heard you stray from your restful rhythm or toss and turn from restlessness. Not even when I readjust our position or whisper my adoration for you in your ear. Thank you, God, good. Woo!